If you are facing black screen issue on any iPhone device, then in this video I'll tell you a method by which you can fix this issue. First of all, you have to make sure the charger you are using is working fine. Then you have to charge your device around 15 to 20 minutes. Once you are confident enough that your mobile phone is charged, then what you have to do is force restart your device. To force restart, just hold up your device and you have to press volume up button, then volume down button, then hold the power button for 15 seconds like this. Press volume up button, then volume down button, then hold the power button for 15 seconds until Apple logo appears on the screen. Keep holding and now release once the Apple logo appears on the screen. So that's how you can fix black screen issue on any iPhone device. However, if the issue still remains, then it can be a hardware issue as well. Make sure to visit any nearest Apple service center to fix this issue. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.